works. Okay. Alright, everybody. We're gonna do something. I don't know if you ever heard of this, but you take a can and you open it up and you go back and forth and you say the alphabet, and whatever letter you stop on, that's supposedly your crush. What? Oh, your dad.
Oh, it's my dad?
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, Dad, look, it's you. You texted us. See, you will be watching this later.
Okay, so we're gonna figure out. So whatever letter it falls on, we have to figure out who our crush is. So Sarah, improvise while I go get a coat. Okay.
Okay, I will burp. Why is everybody like burping? Can somebody please tell me that? Oops. Fudge. See, I told you, it keeps on moving. Yay. Here she comes.
Run back.
You got that? I couldn't do that.
There was nothing else. Okay. So
By the way, that was bed burping.
alright, so I guess I'm gonna go first?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I ain't got anything, because I got N.
A, B, C, D, E, F.
Fucker. Red.
People that we know.
What do we know? What starts with that? It could be less things, too.
Whose last name starts with an F? That's a boy.
Fredericks.
That we know.
I got N.
Yeah.
Nick.
Nick. Dick.
Nick the Dick is a prick. Please. Burp.
Me?
Yeah, they want more burping. What is so good about burping? I mean, seriously. You can't burp?
No, not really. I didn't have enough. I just took one sip.
Sorry, I really got one.
Shit. I got
Holy
nothing.
shit. That's gross.
Oh shit, now it's everywhere.
Brianna is the dumbest, so she decides to spit everywhere.
Oh, and like you're not?
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Wait, were you lying about the other day that you just want to be like cool by making fun of me to people?
No? Wait, what? What was the question?
Remember I asked you how do you act cool in front of the kids that we know, and then you're like, oh, well, sometimes I'd be mean to you just to like, be cool.
No, I was kidding. My daddy didn't text back. Oh, yeah, because we settled it. He's picking us up at 3. Well, me. And if you come. Oh,
Burp. Burp.
Ah, I should. you burp for like 5 seconds. I didn't throw up. Okay, I guess I get to burp for a while.
You know I was burping.
What?
You know what we should do?
What?
On the camera, we should do like beauty makeovers, and the person has to be blindfolded, and we do their makeup. But stupid, not
Not
pretty.
pretty.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Alright, so we're gonna do that next. And no more dares, you're getting annoying! Hey, you agreed with it too.
Yeah, I know. Kind of not really in our league, because some of the dares are really stupid.
That one was good.
I can't believe people actually found us.
I know, right?
Double cup, y'all. You're the one I mean.
Put that key under the mat and you know I'll be over there. Yep, I'll be over there. Showing you I'll be over there. Alright. Well, say goodbye to the camera and then face towards me and I'll say goodbye because we need to do another one.
Okay. We gotta do the makeup one, so,
Okay. Bye.
bye.
Got it.